Hey everyone, let's talk about creating event triggers in Pushcut. If you're looking to take your automation to the next level, event triggers are where it's at. They allow you to respond to things happening in real time, like status update, webhook, or even specific condition being met. So let's get started. First of all, make sure that you updated the app to the latest version in order to get access to all the new features. Now what you're gonna do, go ahead and open up your Pushcut, click the triggers at the bottom, okay, and basically go ahead to your triggers, or previously was automation, and click add trigger, right? And basically you're gonna be able to select the section. Let's say for example I want to add it to my first notification, right? And you're gonna see time and locations, right? And you're gonna be able right here to see if you want to set it daily, weekly, or monthly, right? And you can see right here the location constraint only trigger when you're at that location or when you're not at that location. You're gonna go ahead to the location and of course give them access to your location in order to give them a better understanding, right? And you're gonna see right here the location, right? You can select your location, right? And when you arrive at that location, you're gonna be able to set you can set the time to trigger that automation that, hey, this is what you need to do. And you're gonna see right here the input for the trigger that the event starts in few minutes, right? And you're gonna be able to have that notification after you added it, right? So in my case, I'm gonna only trigger on weekend. Let's say for example I have an event, and you're gonna see right here delay notification, of course, when you're still at the same location before, like if you are at that location, for example, if you are at home and you haven't gone yet or you haven't driven yet to your event, this notification or this trigger will be set off. All right, and you're gonna see right here when leaving and all that, and basically the notification will be set at that, at that time, and you're gonna be notified that, hey, you're late for your event, or the event starts in a few minutes, okay? And excuse me, the beauty of Pushcut is that you can make your notifications dynamic, right? You can pass information from the event into the notification, okay, in the input section. Hey, the event starts in a few minutes, and you will know what event you actually headed to. So, and after you finish, just hit done at the top, right? It says right here, allow access to your location, right? And hit done, okay? And as you can see right here, you can go ahead to your trigger if you want to edit it, right? You can always edit it, and you're gonna see basically the event starts in a few minutes. Go to your notifications, right? And you're gonna see right here my first notification, and you're gonna see the webhook URL set automatically to basically see if your automation works. Go ahead and click test notification at the bottom, and as you can see right here, automate away the I am smart notification, and just go ahead and change that notification to be basically event starts now, right? Start now. And basically, of course, after you set the notification, everybody will, including you, will know that, hey, your event will start now, right? As you can see, you will see the notification. So that's it. Event triggers are an awesome way to make your automations smarter and more responsive. What kind of events are you planning to use in your workflows? Share your ideas. I'd love to hear them. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.